You don't ever come back from work, tired die, only to see say your landlord don't change lock for your house. Abeg, now wetin happen to one babe for Lagos and wetin court do go shock you. So BC na correct Lagos babe wey dey try survive. She dey pay her rent monthly as dem agree. 1 month, wahala come. Salary delay small. She don already tell landlord, "Oga, abeg give me like 1 week, my salary go soon drop." Mr. Olumide no talk anything. BC think say all dey fine. Na so one evening, after long day for work, BC come back. Omo, na deg begin start. If na your first time here, welcome to Make We Yan Tori, where we dey break law stories for your side every day. Make you no forget to subscribe, like and share. She reach house, lock don change. Her load dey inside. Her clothes, her phone charger, even food wey she cook that morning, all dey inside. She call landlord. "Oga, wetin be this?" Landlord reply with full chest. "You late for rent. I don lock the house. No payment, no entry." BC shock. Neighbor sef gather dey look like say na film. One woman for compound come whisper, "Na illegal thing o, but many landlords dey do am." BC no gree carry last. Next thing, she carry matter go court. For court, Magistrate Kemi no even smile. She ask landlord, "Did you obtain a court order before locking her out?" Landlord begin stammer. She late." Magistrate cut am short. "Late payment no give you right to take law into your hands." Court quiet. Everywhere just calm. She face BC. "You are still legally in possession of that property." Then boom, judgment land. Court order landlord to open the house immediately, pay small compensation to BC for stress and embarrassment. As BC waka comot court, smile full her face like person wey just collect alert. Landlord face don fall like NEPA light. No landlord fit just wake up lock your house because you late for rent. They must follow legal process. Be honest, if na you be BC, you go court or you go just beg landlord? Drop your answer below, make we gist.